So over here you can see that I have a programming code right here, and if I were to click on run, then it won't run because there are some errors in this code. So what you can do is you can utilize Copilot to debug this code as well. So to do that, you need to go around and copy out code or the portion of the code that has the error and then take it into Microsoft Copilot right here. So I'm going to utilize the precise mode for this, and I'm going to go around and say debug this Python programming code right here and paste out the code just like this. So once I go around and do that, it'll analyze out the code right there, and then it'll debug it right there. So you can see that it is calculating right here. So I see it says I see a few issues with your Python code, and here is the corrected version, and you can see that it corrected out the flat to float right here just like this and added a closing parenthesis over here just like this. So now let me just go around and copy this out. You can see that this is what you have, as you can see. So let me just copy this out and then go around over here and paste out this code right here and hit the run button, and now you can see that the code works perfectly right here just like this. So that is how you can go around and debug programming codes by using Microsoft Copilot. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.